Hi, friends. Let's understand Dr. Yulin's story. You know, as you know, this channel is about the healing heaven. I welcome you all on this channel, the healing heaven. And on this channel, we all are going to understand what is healing and how can we heal ourselves naturally without medicine, without side effects of medicine. And I'm talking about pure inbuilt healing which is within us, because we need to understand our body has power to heal itself. Have you seen doctors going themselves to go to doctor who are the street dogs I'm talking about? No, they themselves has power to heal the same way we all have power to heal, all birds, animals, and even human being. Because if we talk about 50 years ago, 60 years ago, our health system was not so much built. There were not so many diseases and not there were so many medicines. Okay. So this was all about, yeah, there was that time some of, a different, you can say that a different departments of healing ourselves, Ayurveda, Unani, homeopathy, different scopes. Okay. But the thing is that nowadays people are fed up with all kind of tablets and medicines. So let's talk about here, how can we invoke healing in us, how can we build healing in us, right? Let's take the example of Dr. Hewlin's story. You know what happens? Dr. Hewlin, he was a psychologist and a doctor who heals patients without direct therapy, without giving medicines. How? Let's understand. Dr. Hugh Leland belongs to Hawaii, and once upon a time, he was called to a mental hospital which was very much traumatic, and it was, you can say that, too much dangerous. All of so much dangerous patients were there, patients who were who has done a lot of rape cases, who has done a lot of murder, and many more. It means very much, you can say that, a harsh, crude type of behavior these patient has done. And in that hospital nobody has dared to go because these patients were so much, uh, you can feel it, so much violent for doctors and nurses also, and sometimes they used to act and react on doctors and nurses. So in that hospital was no doctors were ready to go. That time Dr. Hewlin was informed, please, if you wish, we request you to go there, because nobody is there to take the in charge of that hospital. Now Dr. Hewlin went to that hospital, and what happens, my dear friends? He saw the files of the patients, and patients were, you can say that, a lot many patients, they were involved with so many dangerous activities, murder, rape, and brutal, you can say that, brutality towards other citizen, thief, and many more. Now the thing is that what Dr. Hewlin did, Dr. Hewlin once one day thought, if these patients has come into my life, it's, they have not come, you can say that, incidentally, they have come because I have attracted these patients, because he was a believer in law of attraction, he was a believer in his own karmas and all. So he thought, if these patients has come into my life, it's, I'm not saying they are wrong or this, I'm saying they have come in my life because somewhere I'm responsible for that. And now what he decided, he decided to take the responsibility of that situation, that incident, to came those patients into his life, and he decided to heal those patients without medicine. For that, what he did, he knew there was one prayer which in Hawaii citizens used to do that. And Dr. Hewlin, started doing that prayer and started doing some meditations. And my dear friends, you can't believe, in a short span of time, within 6 months to a year, most of the patients went out, they left hospital, and hospital was completely, you can say that, vacant. Each and every each and every patient over there, they got healed without medicine, only through prayer and meditation. Dr. Yulin, even he went through all the, you can say, details of the patients. Okay, what have they done? He went in his karmas and he tried to heal those patients on the basis of his inner consciousness and his inner self, and he healed all of them. Now tell me, if Dr. Hewlett was able to heal so many dangerous patients who were involved with a lot of bad activities, notorious activities, then can't you and we are able to heal ourselves and our family? The answer is yes, we can heal ourselves. Healing is within, healing is not outside. People take medicines to heal themselves, but tell me one thing, did you get disease from that medicine? Did you eat? Yeah, now I understand the side effects of medicine, that's one part, but I'm talking about a disease which is not made from a medicine, how it can be cured from a medicine. Disease comes from inside, and as we know that we have four bodies: physical body, emotional body, spiritual body, especially three bodies: physical body, emotional body, and spiritual body. So when the disease comes in physical body, somewhere it is related to emotional body and spiritual body also. So at emotional level, we go through different kind of emotions like guilt, sin, hatred, jealous, anger, and my dear friends, many more. Such negative emotions are responsible for our illness, nothing else. And our lifestyle also, what kind of food we are eating. So here what we understood one thing only, that is, if Dr. Hewlin was able to heal patients without medicines through prayer, and you know what prayer he did? Very beautiful prayer he did, and that prayer was something, my dear friends, which will win, you know, it's very simple. Four sentence. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. I love you. Thank you. This was the prayer which Mr. Hewlin used to do. This is known as Ho'oponopono prayer also. Now the thing comes. Now, Jyoti, what? These four lines, how can these four lines heal a disease which is for a long time? Listen very carefully. Do you know to say I'm sorry is very easy? I will say no, it's very tough. Nobody is ready to accept his or her mistake. Everybody is finger pointing to others. You are responsible for that. You are responsible for this. I'm not. I'm not responsible. Please forgive me. Do you know to say please forgive me so easy? Not at all. And thank you. Many a times we become arrogant and we don't say thank you to our own people who are so much near, dear, and closer to us. In formality, outsiders we say thank you, but we avoid whom? To whom we are much more connected, our family members. And I love you. I love you is also not easy. Why? Tell me, when last time you said I love you to your mother? When last time you said I love you to your father, your sister, your brother? Now you will say, no, no, Jyoti, I said I love you to my boyfriend, my husband. Hey, listen. In each and every relationship, there is love. But remember one thing. Do not box love between male and female only. Love has a very vast definition. And I will say in this world, there is only one thing. And what is that thing? That is love. And love can be divided in two things. What is that? Either we love something, Either in this world there is love, or in this world there is a lack of love. Nothing more than that, right? So what I said, these 4 sentences are very sharp, very sweet, very simple, but very powerful. If daily 108 times you used to chant these lines, I'm sorry, please forgive me, I love you, thank you, this will change your life. And this is only possible, I'll say, by doing it. Don't believe in my words, just do it daily. It will take hardly 3 to 4 minutes, 108 times of chanting. Or just don't count, just chant it for 3 to 4 minutes, between 3 to 5 minutes daily, morning, evening, or afternoon, or whenever you get time. Now the matter comes, to whom I'm saying please forgive me, to whom I'm saying sorry, hey, listen, this sorry is not for anybody else. This sorry just you are saying to yourself, and you're saying it to divine. I'll say this sorry is for divine. Another thing, this sorry is for taking the responsibility. Whatever has happened in your life, whatever is happening in your life, this is happening only because of you, nobody else. Right? So please, I'll say, do it. And now I'll say, keep your hand on your heart and repeat with me. My dear soul, I'm sorry. Please forgive me. I love you. Thank you. Take your name, my dear Jyoti. My name is Jyoti. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. I love you. Thank you. My dear Dash, take your name. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. I love you. Thank you. My dear Jyoti, I'm sorry. Please forgive me. I love you. Thank you. My dear soul, I'm sorry. Please forgive me. I love you. Thank you. My dear soul, I'm sorry. Please forgive me. I love you. Thank you. Here, you can invoke your soul. You can invoke your body. You can invoke each and everything inside you. And if you will do this practice, you will not be the same person, and your life will change, I'll say, 360-degree. This is a very powerful prayer. Please do it. And if you want such videos which is going to teach you, or which is going to make you learn how can you heal yourself from within, how can you become your own doctor, then please do subscribe my channel, like and share this video with others. Be connected. I promise you, I will never ever let down to you, and I will bring so powerful videos which will change your life on this channel. This is my first video, so mark it. This is going to be one of the best channel in your life if you subscribe my channel. And I will give you at the end some gift also. I will give you live sessions. In my description box, you can find my WhatsApp group link. Please join my WhatsApp. On that WhatsApp group, I will invite you in my free session where I will teach you how can you heal yourself without medicine, and while sitting at your home in your comfort. And I'm talking about for those diseases also where you think like that, oh my God, it's not possible, it's incurable. But remember, incurable means what? Incurable means curable from within. It can be cured, but from within, not outside. Thank you. I'm Jyoti Singh, life coach and business coach. And my dear friends, I have love for meditation, and I have love for healing within. That's why I have created this channel for everybody who wants a better health, a better relationship, career, and finances. And those who wants natural healing, and people who wants to heal themselves naturally without any kind of medicines, for those this channel is. So let's meet in another video. Till that time, more power to you, and heal yourself. Love you all. Thank you.